Welcome to A&L RV Sales. Here's a look at one of our units from our Murfreesboro inventory. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with in-floor ducted heat, toilet area with cabinets, sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet, rear living area, TV antenna with booster, theater seat for two with cup holders, refrigerator, LED exterior lighting, AM/FM CD DVD player, entertainment center, dresser with TV stand, outside kitchen refrigerator, cable TV hookup, kitchen sink, shower skylight, living area television, quad slides, electric awning with LED lights, two pantries, outside kitchen sink, bank of drawers with cabinets, pot and pan drawer, TV hookup in bedroom, washer and dryer prepped, freestanding table with chairs. For over 19 years, A&L RV Sales has followed a simple principle: offer quality products, back them with quality service, and most of all, make the customer's overall experience as enjoyable and hassle-free as possible. A&L RV Sales has two family-run locations to serve you: our original location in Johnson City, Tennessee, and most recently, our store located in Murfreesboro. To us, there's no higher priority than your satisfaction. We don't want to just have your business, we want to hold true to being the RVer's friend. So come visit us today. We're looking forward to meeting you, and so is your next RV.